As a CDL driver, it is essential to ensure that your truck is in excellent working condition before embarking on a journey. One of the crucial things that you must check is the belts under the hood of the engine. These belts are responsible for powering essential components of your truck, such as the alternator, water pump, and air conditioning. A broken or damaged belt can cause serious problems, such as overheating, loss of power steering, or electrical system failure, which can lead to accidents. Therefore, it is vital to inspect the belts regularly and replace them if they are worn out or damaged. Another essential thing to check before hitting the road is the cargo straps. You must ensure that there are no cuts, tears, rips, or fraying on the straps. These damages can cause the cargo to shift during transportation. However, the most important belt in your semi-tractor trailer is the seatbelt. The primary purpose of the seatbelt is to keep you safe in case of an accident. The seatbelt prevents you from being thrown out of the truck during a collision and reduces the risk of injury or death. As a CDL driver, you are responsible for transporting valuable cargo, but your safety is the most important responsibility. Therefore, always wear your seatbelt anytime the truck tires are turning. It may save your life in case of an accident. In conclusion, as a CDL driver, it is vital to inspect the belts under the hood of the engine and the cargo straps before starting your journey. However, the most important thing is to wear your seatbelt every time the truck tire wheels are turning. Stay safe on the road and protect yourself from harm. Like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. Be safe, driver.